Tragic motorcycle crash claims life of 20-year-old in St. Anne. Motorcyclist Kwame Howlett tragically dies in a collision with a truck in St. Anne. Calls for road safety resurface in light of rising accident fatalities. A fatal crash in St. Anne has claimed the life of 20-year-old motorcyclist Kwame Howlett. The incident, which occurred on Friday morning in Brownstown, has left the local community shaken and serves as a stark reminder of the dangers on Jamaica's roads. Incident details. According to reports from the police, Kwame Howlett, a Philadelphia native working in Brownstown, was riding a high-rev motorcycle when he collided with a white Isuzu forward pickup truck. The driver of the truck has been identified as Leonard Wilson of Menard Heights, St. Anne. The crash occurred around 8:30 a.m. when Howlett attempted to overtake a line of cars while navigating a corner. Unfortunately, this maneuver led to a direct collision with Wilson's vehicle. Emergency services were promptly alerted, and Howlett was rushed to the hospital, where he was pronounced dead. Authorities responded to the scene shortly after. Community reactions. DeAndre Allen, a resident who knew Howlett personally, expressed deep sorrow at the news. He described Howlett as a peaceful young man who was always polite. "It's hard to believe. He never passed me without saying hello. He was someone I knew from back in the day. Rip to a true G," said Allen, recalling fond memories of their childhood. Allen also took the opportunity to advise fellow drivers to prioritize safety on the road, acknowledging the unpredictability of life but urging others to do their best to drive cautiously. "You never know when your time is up, but you have to do everything to prolong your life. Accidents like this remind us that we must always be careful, especially when on the road," he added. Impact on public transport workers. Even those who didn't know Howlett have been affected by the tragedy. Andrew McBean, a public transportation driver on the Oco Rios to Brownstown route, expressed his concern. McBean noted that this crash could have involved him or any other local driver passing through the area. "This crash could have been any one of us," said McBean. Drivers need to be extra cautious, especially in accident-prone areas like St. Anne. "I always tell people to take their time when driving in unfamiliar places. It's devastating to lose a young life like this." Growing road safety concerns. Jamaica's Road Safety Unit reports that, as of October 4, 279 lives have been lost in traffic accidents this year alone. St. Anne has seen its fair share of these tragic incidents, and the community is once again urging road users to be extra vigilant, particularly when navigating corners and overtaking vehicles. Final thoughts. As Jamaica continues to grapple with rising accident fatalities, the tragic death of Kwame Howlett is a sobering reminder of the importance of road safety. Whether it's slowing down, adhering to traffic laws, or simply being more mindful, drivers across the island are urged to exercise caution to prevent further loss of life.